WhatsApp Web adds new text formatting tools. Meta is constantly working to improve its encrypted messenger, WhatsApp, in order to compete with apps like Telegram and Signal. As part of the latest set of improvements, WhatsApp has introduced a set of new text formatting tools for its web client, WhatsApp Web. According to WA Beta Info, the new WhatsApp update is currently only available to some beta testers. However, the WhatsApp tracker expects that the update will soon be rolled out to more users. WhatsApp's new text formatting tools include codeblocks. This tool makes it easier for users to share code within WhatsApp. To format your text as a code block, simply use backticks, backquote, between the desired text. Quoteblocks. This tool is useful for responding to a specific part of a previous message. To create a quote block, add the greater than character before the text you want to quote. Lists. Lists provide a clear way to organize information. To create an ordered list, add one of the following characters before your text, or numbers. WA Beta Info believes that the addition of these tools to WhatsApp Web is a significant step towards improving the user experience when sharing text messages. Here are some examples of how to use the new text formatting tools. Code block, quote block. This is a quote from a previous message.